Good morning. It's Wednesday, July 26, about 6 a.m. Central Time. Looking at the precious metals overnight, they were able to shake off some of that early weakness. You got gold up $10, making a new high just a second ago, 1974. You got silver 24.86, up 3 cents. Copper market taking a bit of a breather, trading at 388, down 275, and also platinum following that. Palladium market slightly lower, down $6 at 971. So yesterday here, you had a lot of different things come out. That copper market got that big boost up into the 390s. A lot of us are trading the December contract, about mid 390s there. Took a lot of profits on that contract. Looking at scaling in some new buys. We did see Goldman Sachs, they upgraded their 3-month and 6-month projections on the copper market, and it also got that boost off those Chinese stimulus talks. So we'll look at adding on any kind of correction we get, and we do expect a bit of a volatile session. If we get a boost up in the dollar index, you might see some pressure on the gold and silver market right around those FOMC meeting, that release, which is going to come out right at 1 o'clock Central. 1:30 Central is when Jerome Powell has his press conference. They got a 99.8% chance that they're going to raise rates. And then if you look at some of the farther deferred, because of the strength in the labor market, because of the strength in consumer confidence and things like that, inflation coming down close to their key targets. If you look at the September meeting, 16% chance they raise rates again. October, about a 31% chance. So we'll see what happens. Other things to note, we did have Google and Microsoft after the bell yesterday. We saw some upward price action, but the NASDAQ a little bit lower, and some of the key analysts out there are calling for a top in the NASDAQ. You got crude oil taking its first breather, down about 86 cents. 10 straight days up, adding $10 to that market. So quite a bit of a mood. And also in the grain space, they're also taking a bit of a breather. Russia has escalated, its tensions again with Ukraine. So you're going to want to keep an eye on platinum, palladium, wheat, some of those markets there, copper, and also the gold market. See if there's any kind of boost up. Natural gas, crude oil, those are also ones that are affected a lot by any kind of increased tensions with Russia. If you get the pin sheet that I put out, it'll be in the email. And if you don't get that, shoot me a message or give me a call, 312-858-7303. Shoot me an email, phil@bluelinefutures.com. I'll give you some of those key levels there. We give you the tactical buy range 1, 2, and 3 on the downside, the weekly probable buy range. So when you come into these volatility events, you're going to want to scale out past that first today's tactical, start looking at some added standard deviations to the risk ranges. If you got any questions, give me a call again, 312-858-7303. Remember, futures option trading involves risk of loss. May not be suitable to all investors. Good luck and good trading.